How can you set your pepper seeds for success after transplanting them into the main garden? Well, if you're in polar countries, plant them 18 to 24 inches apart in a sunny, well-drained spot. Pepper plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. If you're in a tropical country, plant them 3 inches apart. Mix compost or other organic matter into the soil when planting. Water immediately after planting, then regularly throughout the season. Mix a continuous release fertilizer into the soil at planting and replenish as directed during the growing season. Spread mulch after the seedlings are firmly rooted and grounded in the garden. If you are growing on a small scale, you can support each pepper plant with a stick or small tomato cage to help bear the weight of the fruit once it begins to produce. Whereas supporting is good, if you are growing on a large scale, it may be cumbersome and quite illogical. If you're growing on a large scale, that may not be so feasible for you to do. So just know that pepper will still grow and flourish without the support, especially if you're in a tropical country. But it stands to quickly get insect attacks from the ground. If your fruits are sitting on the ground, they can easily get affected when the fruit starts to spread all over the ground. That's where support can help minimize those kinds of situations.